This summary provides a detailed overview of SoFi Technologies Q3 2025 earnings call, focusing on key financial metrics, management commentary, forecasts, and risk factors. Key financial metrics and performance. Revenue. SoFi reported a record adjusted net revenue of $950 million, a substantial increase of 38% year-over-year. Profitability. Adjusted EBITDA reached a record $277 million, representing a 29% margin. Net income was $139 million, with a 14% margin, translating to 11 cents earnings per share. Gross margin. While not explicitly stated as a single gross margin figure, the call highlights strong contribution margins in its segments. The financial services segment had a contribution margin of 54%, up from 42% last year, and the lending segment reported a 54% contribution margin. Segment performance. Financial services and technology platform. This combined segment generated $534 million in revenue, a 57% year-over-year increase, now accounting for 56% of total revenue. Financial services revenue alone grew 76% year-over-year to $420 million, with a contribution profit of $226 million. Non-interest income in this segment grew nearly 2.6x to $216 million. Financial services revenue per product surpassed $100 for the first time, reaching $104. Lending segment. Adjusted net revenue grew 23% year-over-year to $481 million. Loan originations were robust at $9.9 billion in total, a record. Personal loan originations were $7.5 billion, up 53% year-over-year. Student loan originations reached $1.5 billion, up 58%. Home loan originations hit a record $945 million, nearly doubling year-over-year. Fee-based revenue. Total fee-based revenue across the business reached a quarterly record of $409 million, up 50% year-over-year, now representing over $1.6 billion on an annualized basis. Tangible book value ended the quarter at $7.2 billion, significantly benefiting from a capital raise. Management's forecasts and future outlook. Full year 2025 guidance. SoFi raised its full year 2025 outlook across key metrics. Members, expecting to add approximately 3.5 million members, 34% YOY growth, up from prior guidance of 3 million. Adjusted net revenue, expecting approximately $3.54 billion, 36% YOY growth, up from prior guidance of $3.375 billion. Adjusted EBITDA, expecting approximately $1.035 billion, 29% margin, up from prior guidance of $960 million. Adjusted net income, expecting approximately $455 million, up from prior guidance of $370 million. Adjusted EPS, expecting approximately 37 cents, up from prior guidance of 31 cents. Tangible book value growth, expecting approximately $2.5 billion for the year, significantly above prior guidance. Future growth drivers. Management expressed strong optimism about benefiting from technology super cycles and AI and blockchain from 2026 onwards. They are intensifying investments in existing products and exploring new markets like crypto, blockchain, AI, and SoFi Pay. Significant risk factors. While not explicitly detailed as a risk factors section, several potential challenges and market dynamics were alluded to. Macroeconomic conditions. Management mentioned monitoring credit quality, inflation, and unemployment as key concerns. Interest rate environment. While currently viewed as beneficial for SoFi's diversified model, significant shifts could impact loan origination mixes and net interest margins. Competitive landscape. The fintech space remains competitive, though management believes their diversified model provides a sustainable advantage. Regulatory environment. Discussions around potential government actions regarding student loans and the broader financial regulatory landscape were touched upon. Highlights. Record member and product growth. Added a record 905,000 new members, bringing the total to 12.6 million, 35% YOY growth. Achieved a record 1.4 million new products, 36% YOY growth. Strong cross-buy. Cross-buy of products reached its highest level since 2022, 40% of new products by existing members, validating the one-stop-shop strategy. Revenue diversification. Financial services and technology platform segments surpassed $0.5 billion in quarterly revenue for the first time. Fee-based revenue is a growing and significant portion of the business. Product innovation. SoFi Pay launch. Introduced a new payment product leveraging blockchain for low-cost international transactions, initially to Mexico. Plans to integrate SoFi USD stablecoin in 2026. Crypto relaunch. Relaunching buy, sell, and hold crypto assets in the SoFi app with a focus on selection, speed, and convenience. AI integration. Implementing AI across operations, member service, and direct member-facing tools like an AI chat tool in Cash Coach, with a more comprehensive SoFi Coach planned for next year. Investing enhancements. Launched Level 1 options, expanded IPO access, and introduced the SoFi Agentic AI ETF. SoFi Money growth. Reached 6.3 million products and $33 billion in deposits. Launching the new SoFi Smart Card. Lending products. Introduced an interest-only period for personal loans and a gradual step-up payment feature for student loans. Home equity loans saw strong traction. Credit performance. Despite market stress, net charge-off rates improved in the lending segment, with personal loan charge-offs declining to 2.6% and student loan charge-offs to 0.69%. Capital raise. Successfully raised $1.7 billion in common equity, strengthening the balance sheet and enabling debt reduction. Rule of 40. Surpassed the Rule of 40 benchmark for the 17th consecutive quarter, achieving 67% in Q3. Lowlights. Net interest margin, NIM slightly decreased by 2 basis points sequentially to 5.84%, primarily due to a modest mix shift from personal loans to home and student loans, though overall strong NIM is expected to continue. Overall market stress. While SoFi's credit performance is strong, the call acknowledges signs of stress in the wider market. Most important statements from CEO and CFO. Anthony Noto, CEO. Our one-stop-shop strategy is performing effectively as we continue to deliver outstanding financial results while investing in our business for sustainable growth and strong long-term returns. This statement encapsulates the core strategy and its successful execution. There's more happening at SoFi today than at any other time during my 8 years with the company. Highlights the company's rapid pace of innovation and expansion into new areas. Our emphasis on product innovation and brand development has reached new heights. Underscores the critical role of these initiatives in driving growth. We are now generating over $1.6 billion in annualized fee-based revenue, illustrating our strategic shift toward more capital-light revenue sources. Emphasizes the successful diversification away from capital-intensive lending. Despite these impressive results, I recognize that we are only at the beginning. The potential markets for each of our products are vast. Expresses confidence in future growth potential and market opportunities. SoFi Pay, which enables quick, seamless, low-cost, and safe international transactions. A key announcement regarding their entry into international payments leveraging blockchain. We will soon be relaunching the feature to buy, sell, and hold crypto assets, granting members access to numerous tokens directly in the SoFi app. Details their strategic re-entry into the crypto market. I am more optimistic about our future than ever. A strong forward-looking statement on the company's trajectory. Today's results demonstrate that we truly have become a one-stop shop for your financial needs all in one digital platform. Reinforces the success of their core strategic vision. Chris Lapointe, CFO. For the quarter, revenue grew 38% year-over-year to a record $950 million. Adjusted EBITDA was also a record at $277 million and a margin of 29%. Provides the key top-line and profitability figures for the quarter. An important driver of our growth was the increased contribution from capital-light non-lending as well as fee-based revenue sources. Highlights the importance of their diversified revenue streams. Financial services revenue per product surpassed $100 for the first time, reaching a record $104 in the third quarter. A significant milestone indicating increasing monetization of their member base. Our total capital ratio of 20.2% at quarter end is well above the regulatory minimum. Reassures investors about the company's strong capital position. We continue to expect healthy net interest margins above 5% for the foreseeable future. Provides confidence in the stability of their net interest margin. We have been really successful in maintaining healthy NIM margins. Historically, we've been at about a 65% to 70% deposit beta. We would expect that to continue going forward. Addresses questions on deposit betas and NIM management. We did $3.4 billion of originations on behalf of others this past quarter in Q3. We expect that to continue to grow heading into Q4. Provide specific details and outlook for the loan platform business. In summary, SoFi Technologies demonstrated a highly successful Q3 2025, marked by record financial performance, significant member and product growth, and strategic advancements in product innovation, particularly in crypto, AI, and international payments. The company raised its full-year guidance, signaling strong confidence in its one-stop-shop strategy and its ability to capitalize on emerging technology trends. Despite some minor pressures on NIM, the overall financial health, credit performance, and diversified revenue streams position SoFi favorably for continued growth.